Next up is Jay from Fan Harvest. You know the rules. You have 60 seconds. 3, 2, go.
Hi, my name is Jay, and my company is fanharvest.com. FanHarvest is a service for professional digital marketers that take their brand's message directly to the Facebook followers of their competitors, or any audience they choose. So let's say, for example, your company is competing with Mandrill or ShareFile, God forbid. We show you which of their Facebook posts got the most engagement and which users engaged with those posts. You can then use that insight to create an ad or a post and target it at those specific users using our integration with the Facebook Ads Manager.
Ooh.
Since the users who post comments tend to be the ones who click on the ads and engage with content, we get you really nice ROI on your Facebook ads because we're pairing proven content with a proven audience. So just $99 will get you your first custom audience report, and we've made over $3,000 in revenue since launching out of the Founder Institute 3 weeks ago. Thanks for the opportunity to be on your show.
All right. Tyler, I'm going to let you go first on this one.
I missed it.
What?
I did. Well,
are you writing notes?
No.
You don't understand the concept, you're saying.
It was the way that he pitched this. I got it right up until he was saying, like, he was talking about the comparative to your competitors and what they're doing on Facebook and getting the report on that. And then all of a sudden I tuned out for a second. I came back, and the way that the pitch was going, there was no place to enter back in to understand. It's like I missed the murder scene, and I was like, wait, what did I miss for the
All right,
rest
let me
of it?
explain it. There's a lot of interesting technology going on in the world right now that people are not aware of. One of them is called retargeting. You know retargeting, but for people who don't, who listen to the program for the first time, retargeting is...
Those damn Zappos shoes that follow me everywhere on the web. Yeah.
So you go to Zappos, they put a cookie on you, or Zappos has your email.
Yeah.
Jason at Inside, Jason@Calacanis.com. They upload their email list to Twitter or to Facebook or to Google. And they say, anytime this person with this email address or with this cookie comes to the site, show them an ad for this pair of New Balance that we know they like. And so what happens is the best people to advertise to are the people who've already come to your site and shown some interest. So it is wildly efficient if you have a small amount of money to spend it re-advertising to the people who've already browsed your store, as it were. So as an example, if we had, we've had like maybe 2,000 or 3,000 people come to hackathons. If we do the next hackathon, the best thing to do is upload that email list, and it's securely done. It's, you're not exposing it to the folks at Twitter. You upload it. Then on Twitter, you could reach just those Twitter handles with the hackathon, which means you could pay a larger price for it because there's a smaller number of people. You're not fishing, with the known quantity.
It's spear fishing and not shotgunning, yeah.
Yeah, something. Yeah, there's a better analogy, but yes, there's some analogy there. Anyway, what this does is it looks at your competitors. So let's say it was Inside. And we know that the perfect Inside user is somebody who's used Reddit, Alien Blue, that app, or Circa, or Flipboard, or Zeit, or Pulse, or, Editions, whatever it is. He goes to their Facebook page, gets all those users, puts them in a database for me, and then allows me to target ads to just those Facebook users.
That's brilliant.
That is brilliant because those, now you can't do all the followers, I don't think. We'll ask that question in a second. Like I couldn't do all, 500,000 people who liked Flipboard's followers. But the people who are commenting, he can figure out who they are pretty easily because their URLs are there.
Right.
Now, if they're commenting or liking something about Flipboard, they're Flipboard's best users. So you can go in and steal Flipboard's best users and advertise to them. It is sinister and brilliant. The pitch was clean. The product is gorgeous. Fan Harvest, for me, as a pitch, is an 8.5, and as a product is a 9. So I think this is a big deal. Now, Jay, did I explain it correctly to Tyler what's going on and what you're doing?
Perfectly, Jason. In fact, you can pitch it for me.
Okay. Did I miss anything in how I pitched it, or did I get it right?
No, you got it 100% dead on.
Okay, great. So then we have it right there. That makes it a good pitch, right? So it's a good pitch if the target audience, which is me, a marketer, understands it clearly. And in terms of a product, wow, I think it's great. And obviously, people are going to pay for this service. Now, one hard question: when I'm on Twitter or I'm on Facebook, it allows me to target ads to the followers of, let's say, Flipboard. So I can say anybody who follows Flipboard on Twitter, show them an ad for inside.com. How do you provide more value than that? Because isn't following them like the greatest, sign that somebody really likes them? It's like, isn't it built into Twitter?
So on Facebook, just because you like someone's Facebook page doesn't mean you're engaged. We're really looking only at people who like specific posts and commented on specific posts. So we can drill all the way down to, if you only wanted to show an ad to 100 people that commented on one specific post, then we'll do that. So that's kind of how we're adding value to the Facebook Ads Manager.
Got it. Okay, so I understand. You're going to get those really awesome industry-leading people and get them to me. I get it. Tyler, your scores for Jay,
I guess
from the Founder Institute, run by my friend.
Here's the question. What is the likelihood that Facebook or Twitter will add this level of granularity in the next 2-3 years?
Okay, answer the question.
So they could. The thing is, they're going at mass scale. So they have like 1 billion users. So we're always going to be able to roll out features and add value ahead of them. So like, we're already looking at the next features. But that's our advantage. We're smaller. We don't have to serve 1 billion users, and we can roll stuff out very quickly. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think they're going to have this issue, because I think it would be very hard for I think it's going to be hard for people to, for Facebook to sell Flipboard's most engaged fans to another brand without pissing off Flipboard. It's already kind of controversial that I can target Flipboard's Twitter followers or something, or whoever's. Like, that's already kind of, I guess the market has accepted it, because even though you're pissed off about it, you like having the ability to do it. You know what I'm saying? It's sort of like, how dare you sell the inside followers to Circa or, Flipboard or New York Times? But it's also like, well, I kind of like doing that too, advertising to my competitors, or what was that, my competitors, or whatever they are, or people in the same vertical. So interesting. All right, listen, if you're listening to this program, please use the hashtag #PoundTwist, TWIST, and or CC at TWI Startups, and give us your scores for Fan Harvest or Kid Around, and just use the hashtag twist, #TWIST, or at TWI Startups, and we'll read your scores on the air if you're doing that. Okay. Jay, great job.
Thank you.